Yo, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm excited. Today's an exciting video. Everyone is excited. I'm excited. So basically, I will show you guys the strategy I used to make $2,500 off the forex market with one currency pair under those 2 sessions, right? The funny part of this is that I was not the only one that took this trade position. This trade position was given in my free Discord community. Now, if you know me, Empire Trading, I have a Discord community. If you're not in that Discord community, do well to join right now. It's free. It's very free, like no charges. You can get these updates as well. You can get these positions as well. You can get advices from me, everything about my trading journey. You can just get in contact with me from there, right? Do well to join. So I'm showing you guys the strategy I used to get this amount of money and the amount of pips as well. Mind you, it's the pips that matters, not the money. So guys, here is the position GBPAUD longs. As you can see, the long position, yes, it was given in the group. Where's the free signals? Here in the free signal channel, you can see here in the free signal channel, right? It was given in the group long GBPAUD, and here is the profit I made, $2,448 live. That's the profit I made, and yeah, 245 pips move. You can see 241 pips move, right? Now, how did I enter this position, if you may ask? This is on the time 4-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame. I'm more of like a swing trader. I don't even really use the 15 minutes time frame. Or happened that I want to go lower to the lowest time frame. The lowest I could go. The lowest I could go is the 15 minutes time frame, and I can count the number of times I have used the 15 minutes time frame. Like, I can count. I stop at 30 minutes most of the time. So I kind of swing my positions and everything. So how did I see this position? How did I predict that price was going to come to this price region it is right now? Because in no time we're going to get to 1.93, right? How did I predict that price was going to come to that area? It is very simple. Let me just clear up my chart and explain something to you. So the strategy I trade is like more of like price action, market structure, and price action added with supply and demand, right? Now, on the 1-hour time frame, on the daily time frame, we could see that price started creating lower lows and lower highs. But there was something interesting that happened. A low that was created, this low that was created, and a lower high that was this low that was created, a lower high that was then created. Now, this lower high was meant to take out this low for us to continue going downwards. But right now, price didn't take out that low, so we had a change in buyers already. So we're already pointing, or we're already getting the signal that we're going to go long on this currency pair, right? So what happened? You can see that lower low that was formed, lower high, lower low. Now lower high, this lower high could not take out this lower low, right? So, could not take out this low to create a lower low, so we were sustaining above. So which means long positions was being anticipated, right, in this trade opportunity, in this currency pair, if you may, right? So that was what happened on this pair. If I mark out this low, added to this pair I trade. I've been trading it for a while, so I am kind of like experienced with the pair. Like, I know when it moves, how it moves, and everything. So it added to my confidence. So after creating this low, this low here could not take out this low. So we're looking for price going or getting taking out highs. And which highs were we looking at now? This was the first high that we're looking at for price to take out, right? This was the first high that we're looking at for price to take out. And where was the second high? Here was the second high that we're looking at for price to take out. So it was just that simple. So as this low that could not take out this low here, we're looking for highs to be taken out. Now, using our Fibonacci, I use my Fib a lot. I don't know if you guys don't use Fib, but Fib is a very, very powerful tool, and it still works 100%. Trust me. So I took on my Fib from here to this high here, and you can see that price came back and reacted to this 0.618 region and 0.786 region. This zone, I usually take them. That's the my premium zone. That's the zone I use the most on my Fibonacci. I neglect the rest. I just use that the most, right, to get the premium price. So you can see price really just tapped into this area and created a high. Now when price, this is a trade opportunity, but I didn't take this trade. I had to be very, very sure to like get the confirmation clear before I could do anything on this currency pair, right? This was what happened. Price took out this high, good, a new high was created. Now we're just looking for pullbacks to that zone, right? So what I did was I went back after this high was taken. Now we have an impulse, a retracement. The retracement was what I was measured using the fib again, and measured from the high to the low, right? Exactly. But before that, I had my daily supply demand area already in check already. Now look, I'm kind of going with the trend. I had my daily demand area kind of in check already. You can see right here my daily demand. So price was already trading in my daily demand zone already, whilst trading in the fib area. So I had two confirmations: my daily demand area and my fib. As you can see, the blue zone is my fib, right? You can see. So price like pulled back to this area on the 4 hour, and look, on the 4 hour we saw an engulfing. Why I say I love using the higher time frame for my trades is that candlestick formation are more rigid than the lower time frame. So now 4 hour time frame has engulfed 4 hour time frame engulfed this candle. So, and look at some accumulation here we could see, or distribution, some accumulation we could see here before the pump. So down to the 2 hour time frame, so price was trading around there. We were looking for what? Entry confirmation. After this candle engulfed this candle, I gave the call for free. Give the call around here, and I kept my stop just below the 78.6 region, around 70 pips, and I had our targets here. This was our first TP. Here was our first TP, about 147 pips of our first TP. Then the second TP was around here. Yes, the second TP was that high there, around there, right? So around 241 pips, right? And same stop loss. You can see in that position. You can see in this same position, I had different positions. This was the first TP, and then I left the rest to run. So right, price, what did price do? Price moved up, came back into drawdown still, and rapidly blasted through to the upside, right? It rapidly blasted through to the upside. This is a very, very nice trade opportunity. Most of my trades are usually bent on this, and if you want to know how I trade and know and find out properly how I really trade and other scenarios, you can like hit me up for my mentorships. I offer mentorships. I can teach you my strategy and you get familiar with it. So I use my volume profile to measure from my entry point to the start of the demand area for the daily time frame, and I saw that I was really sitting around my POC point of control, high volume, calling for high interest, right? So that's how I saw this position, and that's why I gave this call. Now I called this position yesterday by New York session, and what just happened, by the end of the New York session I had a blast through. Asian session we had a pullback before London session open. Yeah, but London session open, that's where we had our TP smashed, 243 pips. You can see here right now, $448,000 made. You can see first TP smashed here, second TP smashed here. That's how I made this amount of pips and money, right? I don't look at the money part. I look at the pips. Because everybody has different contract size or different lot size in respective of their account. But this is 243 pips. This is a lot. Even using 0.01, you could be making about $20 plus from just this trade opportunity, as you can see. So that's how I got this position, and that's how I made that amount of money. If you If you want to learn more of this thing, don't forget to just hit me up on my socials, or you can hit me up my Discord. I'm always available on Discord. So I'll see you guys in the next. Peace out.